Airfix fans, and welcome back to another episode of Retro Unboxing. Now hold on to your togas, because this month we're diving headfirst into a Roman special. Yes, that's right, not one but two glorious kits to tantalise your model making taste buds, the Roman figures and the Ancient Britons kit. Let's start with the Ancient Britons figures in 1/72 scale. The warriors of Ancient Britain were known for their fast, aggressive tactics, and this set really captures that. You can see the fierce warriors and their mobile chariots ready to strike fear in their enemies. Next up we have the Roman figures, also in 1/72 scale. The sprues in this set are moulded in a lighter grey plastic, and you can just imagine the epic battle scene you could create by combining these two sets. Would you like to see Airfix produce more historical figures like these? If you have any ideas, drop them in the comments below. We've also got an Airfix club pamphlet from the late 90s included in this box. Were you a club member back then? Let me know in the comments below. Well, that's it for our Roman special. Let me know what kits you'd like us to unbox next, and we'll see you next time.